Hey, I'm packing up my lunch tomorrow. I will have my 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. I will have 7 ounces of steak and 200 grams of zucchini. If you watch till the end, you can see what the macros end up being. I'm also going to take a limoncello LaCroix and my protein coffee. So that'll be my breakfast and lunch and drink, one of my drinks, tomorrow at work. Hey, what I do is keep a basket with a bag inside of it right by my closet. And in the mornings as I'm getting ready, if something doesn't fit, it goes right in here. And when it's full, I take it to our local women's safe house. They have a thrift store. We have different types of thrift stores. We have Teen Challenge and Goodwill as well. So whatever your local place is, don't forget to donate. Special appearance from Baxter. Don't forget to donate your clothes as you work your way down. And like I said, you all know I go shopping in there. Well, okay, twice. But I need to go again because I got rid of 3 pair of pants this week and a couple shirts. So anyway, yeah. All right, bye. Hello. I want to show you what I got at the Goodwill. This is it's a spaghetti strap undershirt, like a tank top. And then the blazer. I got this at the Goodwill whenever I went shopping. And these dogs did not come from Goodwill. Anyway, so I put it with these jeans. These are maroon jeans. These jeans are too big. So what I've got is that beltless, the buckleless belts. And they hook into the front and they tighten them up. But they're too loose. So I put this belt on and it helps them last. So I don't have to go shopping too soon. So anyway, that's the random outfit for the day. But okay, now back to the food. Good morning. This is my breakfast. It's 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. I've got seasonings on it that I put on at home last night. I think it was smoked paprika and some kind of herb. I don't remember what it's called, but it's that herb seasoning that I use sometimes. And some salt. So that's my breakfast this morning. For lunch, we got 7 ounces of steak and 200 grams of zucchini, and that's how it looks. So that's what I'll be eating for my lunch. It's a wild day, and I'm not hungry, and it's 3:45. I'm not hungry, but I'm wanting something. I'm having cravings like a wild woman. I'm just like, I think I confuse hunger and stress and anxiousness I get them confused sometimes. And so like right now I'm just like I'm wound up because of just work stuff, just working. So anyway, so instead of being mentally okay right now, I'm just like, I just need to eat something. I'm not, but I'm just telling you, if you deal with cravings, you're not alone. I'm at work, so I don't have anything to nibble on. I'm just chugging on my water and chewing gum. I'll put a piece in, but I don't want to have a piece when I'm talking to y'all because I don't want to look like I'm chewing cow cud. But anyway, yeah. So if you still have cravings, you're not alone. I'm 3 years and I'm having some pretty rough, I want to eat, but I'm literally not hungry. All right, just had to update. Supper tonight. I made it. I didn't eat. I just focused on work, drank water, and just pushed through. So now I'm home. It's a little after 5. This is steak bites that I had set up to eat tonight. And I fried them. This is actually ribeye from 2 weekends ago. I added some smoked paprika and some salt. And then I've got my zucchini, sauteed zucchini. I'll be eating zucchini, but I don't have any more to cook, which is good. So this weekend, whatever I cook will be different stuff. So eventually you're going to run out of seeing zucchini. Let me see. It's too hot. I'm not going to taste it. But it's still seasoned however I seasoned it when I made it 2 weeks ago. So yeah, that's my supper. Zucchini and steak bites. Have a good night, you guys. And here's my macros as promised. Have a good day.